If you are getting this message while logging into your WhatsApp account, like your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp on this account, is not allowed to use WhatsApp. If you are watching my videos for today, I am sure your WhatsApp account is banned. I am very sorry about that. But let's try and see how we could help you get your WhatsApp account unbanned by applying to them the proper way. Now the first thing is you need to understand what kind of ban your WhatsApp account is on. It may be a temporary ban, a permanent ban, or if you have a WhatsApp API account, your account may just be on a review because your account may have violated Meta terms and conditions. Now if you are on a temporary ban, it's pretty straightforward. You just log into your WhatsApp account with WhatsApp. Just access your account. You are going to get a pop-up like this, and you are going to get an option to contact customer support. You just contact them directly and send them an appeal. If it is a permanent ban, what you could do is try connecting with WhatsApp support directly. So when you need to contact with WhatsApp support, either you log in into the application. If it gives you an option to appeal, send them a message and try and get your account unbanned. If you do not get that option because it's permanent ban, you may just do a Google search from WhatsApp ban my account. After you do that, you get a lots of suggestion out here. Just click on the first suggestion which takes you to WhatsApp help center. You are going to get a lots of suggestion, and all these things you could go through if you want. That's totally on you, but I would suggest you scroll down and see a message box out here. Just click on no. Select the second or third option, whatever you want. Click and select, and you get an option to send an appeal out here. Now you could send them a message like this and submit this. You are getting to a response from customer support within 20 to 72 working hours. If you do not receive a response after 72 hours, click contact us. Click contact us. Select your country here and enter your phone number. Enter your email address here. Enter your confirm email address. Select the device you use to use WhatsApp. Write your problem here. Then click next step. Wait up to 72 hours after submitting. If you don't get a response, you can try last thing. Open any browser and search Play Store. Then type WhatsApp from the search button and search. Click WhatsApp Messenger. Then click on App Support. Then submit your problem by mail. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.